DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum is designed for cordless operation powered by a 20V max battery. This unit features an easily accessible, washable, reusable filter. Just simply use tap or water rinse to clean. A heavy-duty, crush-resistant, fully integrated 5 feet by 1-1 divided by 4 inches diameter hose provides durability, flexibility, and ease of use, and the onboard hose and accessory storage make the vacuum easy to carry, transport to use wherever you may need it. It also features a 2-gallon tank capacity that provides enough storage to empty a toilet or clogged pipe. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Cordless operation powered by 20V max battery. Number 2. Easily accessible, washable, reusable filter, tap or water rinse to clean. Number 3. Heavy-duty, crush-resistant, fully integrated 5 feet by 1-1 divided by 4 inches diameter hose provides durability, flexibility, and ease of use. Number 4. Onboard hose and accessory storage make the vacuum easy to carry, transport. Number 5. 2-gallon tank capacity provides enough storage to empty a toilet or clogged pipe. Number 6. HEPA-rated wet, dry filter traps dust at 0.3 microns. Number 7. Cordless operation powered by either an 18V or 20V max battery. Number 8. Easily accessible, washable, reusable filter. Number 9. Heavy-duty, crush-resistant, fully integrated 5 feet hose. Number 10. 2-gallon tank capacity. Number 11. Battery and charger sold separately. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What is the difference between the 580 and the 581 DEWALT vac? Answer. The 581 you can plug in or use the battery feature. The 580 is just battery. Question number 2. Is this item a complete set that includes a battery and charger with an extra battery? If not, do you have any offer with the complete set? Answer. No, the battery and charger are sold separately. Unfortunately, we do not have a model that includes a battery and charger for this. Question number 3. I need to use my 18V batteries as per the description, but the vacuum I received doesn't accept them. Can I still get that option? Answer. If you take off the wide nozzle on the back, there will be 2 places to put in the batteries. There is a slide pack to put in the 20V battery, and a hole to put in the stem of the 18V battery. If there are issues, please contact the manufacturer DEWALT. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.